Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. It's Adam here. It's Thursday, which means we're going to be doing some keyboards. We're going to be doing Superstition by Stevie Wonder. Now, this is a really cool song for the keyboard players because although it sounds really impressive and it's actually quite hard to get your fingers in the right place and learn it, but once you've got it, it's a brilliant little riff that if someone goes, play something on the keyboard, you can go, whatever it is that you do. Okay, so once you've learnt it, it's a great one just to kind of play around with on the piano. It's also literally just 4 bars, and then the other bit is really easy as well. And all you need to do is put your fingers in the right place. So the first thing I need you to do is get your middle finger and find middle C and take it up to the black note by middle C, so to a C sharp. So it sounds like this. Okay. Once you've done that, what I need you to do is I need you to put all your other fingers on the nearest black notes. So your fingers should kind of naturally feel like they're going to go on the black notes. So it'll be, your thumb will be on an A flat, first finger on a B flat, middle finger on your D flat, fourth finger on an E flat, and your little finger on a G flat. So it should sound like that. The reason this song is so much fun is because you're just playing the black notes. So once you're in that position, that is you done. You're all good, okay? So to get started, it's a little run, and all it does, it goes thumb first, second, thumb first, second, third, like that. I'll do it over here so you can see it on the screen. That's your introduction. Those 4 fingers there, not your little finger. Okay, and that's your introduction done. Sorted, okay? Moving on, we're going to go each bar, we'll just kind of break it down. The good news is it's a 4-bar riff, but actually pretty much exactly the same. So once we've got the first 2 bars, the second 2 bars are pretty much exactly the same. So what I need you to do is with your 4th finger, which is on your E flat, that's your first note. Your second note is your middle finger on a D flat. And then you go back to your 4th finger, you go up to your 5th finger, down to your middle finger, okay? And that's the first 3 quarters of the first bar. So it should sound like this. It should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Okay. Do it one more time. So 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, little, middle. Okay, and then to finish off that bar, you go to your to your first finger, second finger, that finger, and go ba ba ba. So first and middle, ba 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 ba. Like that. That's better. So the whole thing should sound a little bit like this. Okay? I'll do it really slow. Okay? You'll notice all I'm doing on my left hand is one hit or 1 finger, E flat. That's all you need to do. That's it. That's the whole of this song pretty much, okay? The second bar, your fingers are still in place. You have your little run like you do in your introduction. So you go all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it goes 2, 3, 4. I'm swapping my finger names here, aren't I? I'm so sorry. So yeah, so basically, I'll try and make it a bit more obvious. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the easiest thing. So 1, 2, 3. So your thumbs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you start 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So on the top. So we're going to go. So the whole riff, it goes a little something like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And then basically, once you've got that kind of that basic bit that we've put on the music and that's there, you can start adding some odds on ends and doing what you want to do and have some fun with it. Okay, so that is basically the main riff of this tune. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time, and I'm going to do it one more kind of slowly, and then hopefully what you can do is you can start practicing it, start really slow. Okay, so we'll do it really slow, start doing it really slow, and then just as you start to get more and more used to it, you can speed it up, add more little bits. Anything on those 5, anything on here will sound cool. Okay, basically, it's the easiest way to describe it. Anything on there will sound cool. Okay, so here we go. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Don't worry too much about the rhythm. As long as you're getting those notes, it's going to sound quite cool. Okay. The only other bit of the song, we're going to make this a really quick video, which is great. The other quick bit part of the song is that when it goes, when you believe in things you don't understand, then you suffer. That bit. Okay, so if you are just wanting to keep it quite simple, literally both fingers just play the notes. So it goes B flat for 2, which is a minim, of course. Up to B for 2, back down to B flat for 2, down to A for 2, down to A flat, and then on the B flat, superstition ain't the way. Okay, I'll do that again. So B flat, B, B flat, A flat. So it's all just that little bit. So it's here. B flat, B flat, A flat, 3, 4, on your B flat. Okay, if you've got your chords going, then have some fun with it actually, because you can play it in different ways. You can do it just in a normal chord. Like that. I generally would go first inversion. So that is the root note goes to the top. So you go, so like if you're doing it on your B flat, your B flat is B flat, D, F. You just take it up a bit. So D, F, B flat. Yeah, that's cool. And then basically that's it. You're just kind of going between the two. Okay. So that's as far as we can go, really. What the main thing to do with the keyboard, and we decided to do this one for you guys because it's a fun one. Once you get your fingers around it, it's a fun one just to be able to show off with. Okay, so I'll play it through as if it's the whole song, and we'll put get the GoPro doing the thing, and hopefully that helps. I'm aware that we've gone through that very, very quickly, but we have only done 6 bars. So it might be that you guys have got it, it might be that you haven't. If you haven't got it, send me a message, and I'll happily kind of come online and talk to you, or we can kind of share some stuff. The key to it is to make sure that your fingers are over all those black notes. Anything you do on those black notes then doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's have a little playthrough and see what happens. And the music's below if you want to kind of have a learn of the notes. The chorus, don't forget, B flat, B flat, A flat. That bit really, we're just kind of helping out. Other than that, there's a couple of little bits. There's a bit of a instrumental part. where you do a chorus, then a verse, then a chorus. So it's just like kind of a short amount. I'll sing it while we're doing it, and then you get a little bit of an idea. Play along. This is in the right key, so if you want to have a play along with Stevie, you can. He does it quite quickly, kind of and this song definitely works better if you are chugging rather than if you're kind of slowing it down. So you want to kind of make sure that you're on the beat and you're kind of keeping it going. Okay, so hope that helps. See you tomorrow for the live run through, and I will see you then. And next week we're having a week off, and then we're going to work out what we're going to do with songs from there. So yeah, be good, be well, be careful. And I will see you next week. No, I won't. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so here we go then. So the drums start, and they go. Okay, and we come in on the fourth beat, and we come in halfway through the fourth bar. Halfway through the fourth bar. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's how we're going to go in, and then we'll get going. Okay. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Very superstitious writings on the wall. Oh baby, ready for a chorus? Here we go. If you believe in things you don't understand, then you suffer. Superstition ain't the way. Very superstitious. Here we go. You believe in things you don't understand, then you suffer. Superstition ain't the way. This is the solo. So we go back to a chorus. Here we go. Hopefully this is making sense. Very superstitious. Oh, my arm's hurting. Midday in my daydream, nearly there. Oh, it's a hard one. My arm's killing me. Last time. Oh no, one more. Chorus. Superstition. Ah, wait. It's really hurting to stop. I'm going to stop now anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes on a little bit more, but we can't carry on doing that. That's painful on the arms. Painful on the arms. So I hope that all makes sense. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it kind of works. And if you look at the music, you'll be able to work it out as well. As I say, the key to it is just to keep your fingers in that right place. Anything you play then will sound really cool. If you're playing on a piano and you want to get the Stevie sound, it is a clavier. So have a play with your keyboard. You'll find that there's some cool sounds on there. But yeah, mainly that will be that. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you tomorrow for the run through, and take care. Be careful, be well, and look after each other. Okay, toodaloo.